Hi kids, welcome to Spelling by Planet Spark YouTube channel. Spell the day of the week. Are you ready, kids? Read the hint and guess the day of the week. Then choose the correct spelling. Let's start. Question 1. This is the first day of the week in many calendars. A, S-O-N-D-A-Y, B, S-U-N-D-A-Y. The correct answer is Sunday, S-U-N-D-A-Y. Question 2. This day comes after Sunday. A, M-O-N-D-A-Y, B, M-O-N-D-E-Y. The correct answer is Monday, M-O-N-D-A-Y. Question 3. This is the third day of the week. A, T-U-E-S-D-A-Y, B, T-U-S-E-E-A-Y. The correct answer is Tuesday, T-U-E-S-D-A-Y. Now, please subscribe the channel. Question 4. This day comes after Tuesday. A, W-E-D-N-E-S-D-A-Y, B, W-E-N-S-D-A-Y. The correct answer is Wednesday, W-E-D-N-E-S-D-A-Y. Question 5. This day comes before Friday. A, T-H-U-R-S-D-A-Y, B, T-H-E-R-S-D-A-Y. The correct answer is Thursday, T-H-U-R-S-D-A-Y. Question 6. Kids often look forward to this day because weekend is coming. A, F-R-Y-D-A-Y, B, F-R-I-D-A-Y. The correct answer is Friday, F-R-I-D-A-Y. Hey superstar, want to show how fast you can read? Ask Mama or Papa to book your reading challenge below. Fun activity. Say the days of the week with me. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Question 7. This day is usually part of the weekend. A, S-A-T-U-R-D-A-Y, B, S-A-T-E-R-D-A-Y. The correct answer is Saturday, S-A-T-U-R-D-A-Y. Question 8. Which day comes after Wednesday? A, Thursday, B, Tuesday. The correct answer is Thursday. Question 9. Which day comes before Sunday? A, Saturday, B, Friday. The correct answer is Saturday. Fun activity. Jump 3 times if you love weekends. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go! Jump! 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 Free one-on-one reading check. Know your child's reading level in just 30 minutes. Click link in description. Question 10. Which day comes after Monday? A, Tuesday, B, Wednesday. The correct answer is Tuesday. Question 11. Which day is the middle day of the week? A. Wednesday. B. Thursday. The correct answer is Wednesday. Question 12. Which day comes before Tuesday? A. Sunday. B. Monday. The correct answer is Monday. Question 13. Which day comes after Friday? A. Sunday. B. Saturday. The correct answer is Saturday. Question 14. Which day comes 2 days after Monday? A. Wednesday. B. Thursday. The correct answer is Wednesday. Final challenge. Question 15. Spell the day that comes before Thursday. A. Wednesday. B. Wednesday. The correct answer is Wednesday. Wednesday. Ready to start your learning journey? Click the link in the description. Choose your class, enter your phone number, and book your free demo today.
Awesome job, kids! If you had fun, like the video, and for more videos like this, subscribe the channel.
Follow our other YouTube channel to help your child become a great speaker.